Now, let me show you how you can close an app on your MacBook, which will simply not close, like it refuses to close itself. So if that is the case, what you need to do is to click on the Apple logo in the top left portion of the display like this, which will expand additional options, and you want to find Foxtecc in here. This is gonna open up the window like that with all of the currently open apps. So it depends on what's really going on in here. You can see a couple of different apps are going on, and if they are not simply responsive like this, you can see that we can select the app, click on Foxtecc, confirm it, and the app is going to be closed, even though the normal way simply didn't work. Like clicking on the red circle didn't close it, but for this purpose, we can open up Foxtecc window like this and close it that way. So that's the first way to make that work. Outside of that, you can also explore the app on your Mac, which is this one in here. It's called Activity Monitor, and it should be built in on your Mac, so you should definitely have it. But when you open up this application, you can see that if you switch from the CPU to the memory, you can see which apps are currently open and which are currently using the RAM, right, of your Mac. So you can see the whole list of apps. So for example, there is the weather menu, right? It's a very small process, but you can see that we can double click it and simply quit it like this. Click on quit and it's gonna, stop being active. So yeah, that's how you can close out on some specific things, not just like main apps. But yeah, that's gonna be about it from me. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in future uploads.